You can see a very lengthy question in front of you. Let's start with this previous year board examination question on maxima and minima. The question is square piece of tin of side 24 centimeter. So you have a square piece of side 24 centimeter that is made into a box without top by cutting a square from each corner. That means what? That means you have a square piece given to you, and that square piece is such that it has sides of 24 centimeter each, and you have cut it from all the corners and you have to convert it into a box then. That is why you have cut it. And suppose you have cut it from everywhere, x units are being cut from everywhere. So what is left? You are left with 24 minus 2x, right? And now this 24 minus 2x will serve as your length. This 24 minus 2x will serve as your breadth, but your height will remain x. That is what is there. There are these 4 corners which have x by x dimensions only. Rest are 24 minus 2x. So let's start with the proof after reading the whole question. It says folding up top by cutting and everything is there, folding up to form folding up the flaps to form a box. What should be the sides of the square? So you have to find out the dimensions of the square. Definitely one side, if you know, all sides are equal. Sides of the square so that the volume of the box is maximum. Volume should be maximum. Also find the maximum volume. Let's start. Now you know that if proof is written, what is the volume actually? The volume is going to be length multiply breadth multiply height. You know that length and breadth are 24 minus 2x only and height is x. Let's expand this. It is 576 plus 4x square minus 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 24. So 24 into 4 is 96x. That is your volume. And you already know you have to find out the first derivative. So dv by dx has to be found out. That is 8x minus 96. You have to find out the second derivative also. Second derivative is minus 96. Let me again show you what we have done. It is the brackets. Okay, we are mistaken with this. I know that expansion of the bracket is done, but you have to multiply x also from outside. Now, volume is equal to 576x plus 4x cube minus 96x square. Not a big deal, very easy again. Volume has been found out. Finding out the first order derivative gives me 576 plus 12x square minus 96 multiplied by 2x, right? So it is 576 plus 12x square minus 192x if I am not wrong. Now first order derivative is found out. You also need to find out the second order derivative. So d2v by dx square should also be found out. So as to know whether it is maximum or minimum. So it is nothing but 24x minus 192. Okay. If this is your equation number 1, if this is your equation number 2, you have to put the first order derivative equal to 0. So I write put dv by dx is equal to 0. What do you get? It is nothing but the common things come out. So 12 comes out at common. So it is x square minus 16x, right, plus 48 is equal to 0, or x square minus 16x plus 48 is equal to 0 is the equation. Now when you are done with this, let's actually split the middle term and find out the factors. So you definitely know that 12 fours makes it 48, and here also 12x and 4x would be there. So x can be equal to 12 or 4. Now which out of these two values is possible? When 12 is there, 24 minus 2 into 12, 24 minus 24, 0. Can 0 be a side of a square? No. So that means 12 has to be rejected. So x is equal to 4 is the solution. X is equal to 4 is side of square. The first answer that you have obtained. Now when x is equal to 4, you can put it in here. So put into, you definitely get d2v by dx square. And that is equal to 24 into 4, 96 minus 192, which is less than 0. And since it is less than 0, it is going to be maximum. You don't need to actually find out the exact value. You have definitely found out it is less than 0. So it is maximum. You have proved it that yes, 4 is the side of the square. And next what you were needed to prove, you needed to prove that what is the volume also. Find the volume. So we are not going to stop over here. We have to find out the volume. What is the volume? Just put the value. Put the value in 24 minus 2x whole square. 24 minus 2x is 2 4s are 8 whole square, multiply by 4. So 24 minus 8, that you have to do 16 square. 16 square into 4, which is nothing but 1024 centimeter cube, and that is your answer to this question.